not balance.
Okay, so everyone, so the next step, the next stop that we are going to visit one of the biggest kingdom, coconuts. We say coconut kingdom. So actually, you know, like coconut in Vietnam, we use all parts of it. But one fact very interesting, but less people know that. When we get on the sampan boats, so that boat they drive along the two sides, that's the coconut water. So, and mostly the rooftop of the house, they make from the coconut trees, coconut leaf. So that leaf, they form the water coconut. It's not from the normal coconut, not from the regular coconut trees, from the water coconut trees. Yes? And then we have coconut fruits,